Hello! In this video, I will show you how to automatically create and update timestamps in Google Sheets using Google Apps script. Timestamps in Google Sheets are used to precisely record a specific moment in time, which is particularly useful for logging, monitoring changes, and automating reports. For example, if a client contacts you and you need to record the exact moment they reached out, you enter client details, name, phone number, or request description, and the date and time you do this appear automatically. This way, you'll know exactly when the request was made, which simplifies tracking deadlines and analyzing request handling speed. In this lesson, we'll explore how to automatically add timestamps when adding a new row. We are currently in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Go to the Extensions menu and select Apps Script. We'll need some code to set up the automation. How to work with Apps Script was covered in the previous lesson. You can find it in the playlist or via the link that should appear in the upper right corner. In the code.gs file, where we currently have an empty function, we'll write our own. We'll name the function onEdit and pass e as its argument. The function is specifically named onEdit because, in Google Apps script, this is a special simple trigger function. With this name, the system automatically recognizes it and links it to the Sheet Edit event. E stands for event. The function reacts to a specific event, so it's provided as the argument e. From the event object, the range where the edit occurred, we obtain the sheet where the edit took place. Then we check if the sheet name matches the desired one, Sheet 1. If not, we immediately exit the function to avoid processing other tabs. Next, we store the number of the row where the edit occurred. We'll call this edited row. We also store the column number where the edit happened. We set a constant, the column number for the timestamp. Here, 1 corresponds to column A. We specify the first column where data is entered, B equals 2. Edits in columns with numbers lower than this will be ignored. Next, we need to write a condition. If the edit occurs in column B or further to the right, meaning this is data rather than the timestamp itself, we'll execute the body of this block. We get the cell object where the timestamp needs to be inserted. The same row, edited row, but column A, timestamp column. Here, we perform another check. We only insert the timestamp if this cell is currently empty. This prevents overwriting an existing timestamp when other columns are edited again. We then insert the current date and time into the cell, using JavaScript's date object. As a result, whenever you first enter data into a new row in column B and beyond, the exact timestamp will automatically be added to column A of the same row. Press Save. Let's go back to our sheet to test this. For example, let's add a client's request. As we can see, the date was immediately added. You could set the format directly in the script, but I recommend being more flexible and applying the format to the column in Google Sheets itself. This allows you to display the date in any desired format. In some reports, you might prefer using only the date, while in others, the date and time. For now, let's select the column, go to Format, then Number, and choose Date Time. Now the time is displayed. Let's add another entry to make sure everything works. The timestamp was added. Great! We have thus configured a simple automation for adding data to a new row. This code is suitable for simple scenarios. However, any code can be optimized. We won't delve into this in this video, but if you're interested in discussing optimizations, leave a comment below. Keep in mind that with very frequent edits in a single cell, the script might exceed execution limits. Be aware of the 90-minute daily limit for simple triggers. After saving the code, changes might not activate immediately. Stay calm and reload the Google Sheets page. Now you know how to efficiently use timestamps in Google Sheets with Apps Script. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Have a great day, everyone.